Hey guys, this is Henry here again, aka Spirit FX. Alright guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about an indicator, the simplest, easy to use indicator, which is the RSI. The RSI is very famous. It's one of the most famous indicator out there, and it works perfectly. I think it has, if I would rate the RSI, I would give the RSI 75% accuracy. All right, so in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to set the RSI on your chart and how to study it and how to use it to make buys entries or sell entries. It's very simple. All right guys, if you are in my Telegram group where I teach people free of charge how to trade in the forex market, you would know I always tell you that forex trading is divided into two. We have the beginners level and the professional level. You can either call it beginners or basic level, or you call it professional level or advanced level. Now, what's the difference between the basic trader and the advanced trader? The advanced trader understands technical analysis and fundamental analysis, and he knows how to use indicators to enter trade. So as an advanced trader, you don't really need signals from people. You can by yourself analyze the chart and enter a trade by yourself basically. But as a beginner or a basic trader, you mostly you depend on signals, on signal providing groups, and you all know I have a signal providing group. Do you understand? So you depend because you don't know when to buy or when to sell, because you only just understand the basics. All right, so now I have a package for basic learning, for basic traders. If you want to just learn what trading is, if you're starting from afresh, I have a package for it, and I also have a package for advanced. Now in the package for advanced, this is one of the videos. So this is the video we are starting with because the RSI is the simplest video. I'm still going to touch all the technical analysis you can use. What is technical analysis? I believe you should understand that right now. Fundamental analysis and indicators to make use of. Do you understand? So I have that I have that package also in my group. So if you're not in my free group where I teach forex, you can check the comment section of this video, or in the description of this video I'm going to add the link there. You can join. All right, so let's move into action right now. We've been talking too much. All right, now the RSI, how does it work? First of all, it's already on my chart. That is what you're seeing below. It's already on my chart, but don't worry, I will show you how to add it. But let me first of all explain it to you. How does it work? Now the RSI comes with levels. You have the 100 levels, we have the 70 levels, we have the 30 levels, and we have the 0 levels. All right, so once you're installing the RSI on your chart, it comes installed with a default settings of 70, 30 and a period of 14. Don't worry, don't stress yourself, just follow this video one step at a time. I will still take you through on how to set it and all these things I'm talking about, what it is. Do not skip. Okay, now how does the RSI works? If the candle touches 30 or comes below 30, you should look at buying. And if you check, I have added some boxes to show you that, oh, it works. Immediately it got to 30 and below 30, rather 30 and below 30, that's what you should look for. Let it touch 30 or below 30, you should look at buying. And if you check this box, immediately it got there, it bought. And this should be roughly, if I'm not mistaken, 15 pips profits. Do you understand? Now let's do a back test. Let's scroll back. Now check, look at all the boxes to let you know that it is it. This thing will actually give us the perfect lining. As you can see, just follow the line. You see, when it got to that point, it sold. When it got to this point also, what happened? It sold. When it got to this point too, what happened? It sold. So the RSI is accurate to an extent, because there are some times whereby it will get to the 70 when it's supposed to sell, but it will keep buying. But the thing is, no indicator is 100% accurate. So what you should look at is, okay, if this indicator can be 70% or 80% accurate, then it's fine. Let's say I enter a trade with the RSI, enter 10 trades and 8 was successful and 2 wasn't. Isn't that still okay? Okay, based on all these boxes I'm ticking now, because this is a current chart of GBP. I think this is GBP. This is GBP USD. Now, the first one actually worked, gave us 15 pips. The second one worked. Let's see how many pips that one gave us. Let's see from here down to this point. That's over like 47 pips. What are you looking for? Do you understand? The third one also gave us success. The fourth one also gave us success. Now, this has always been sell, sell, sell. Let me still scroll back because I know I did a back test also for buy. As you can see, look at the box. Just follow the boxes. Immediately it touched this box here. Look below. Immediately it touched 30. He bought. Scroll again. Immediately it gave us touch 70. He sold on a 5-minute time frame. So this will help you become a professional trader. Now, the word professional or advanced it doesn't mean you know one big thing that other people don't know. The only thing is you understand technical analysis and fundamental analysis. And what is technical analysis? Using indicators is under technical analysis. So if you are using your RSI, your entry trade by yourself, you're coming up by yourself, you're already a professional trader. What makes you a professional trader? It's just you being able to analyze the market by yourself, analyze the chart by yourself, and give out profitable entries or signals. That's what makes you a professional trader. So there's no big deal. So if you can actually if you are using the RSI on your chart and you're trading by yourself like this, you are already an advanced trader. And as you can see, based on all the boxes I've ticked so far, the RSI has worked. Let's calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times it has given us profit. You should be out. If you're a trader, at least you've traded 6 times in a day, except you have big eyes or big mouth or you want big money. That is enough for that day. Then you move on to the next day. So guys, this is the simplest indicator out there, the RSI, and it works. Stay tuned. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel because I'll be dropping indicators right now. I'll be back testing and you'll be seeing how it works. So it now depends on you to choose the one you feel comfortable with, because there are multiple indicators you can use. So you are the one that will now choose what you like. You backtest by yourself, backtest with your demo account, and choose the one you like. Do you understand? So there are other, probably as a beginner, you are hearing people use words like price action, support and resistance. I think I'll be dropping a video concerning support and resistance if I have not even dropped already. Do you understand? So these are other arms of technical analysis. But when you're talking about fundamental analysis, it is different from technical analysis. Fundamental analysis has nothing to do with technical analysis when it comes to indicator, drawing your chart pattern, or using moving averages. No, fundamental analysis is basically news. What is the news talking about? So the news can actually tell you where the direction of where the price will go. So how do you add the RSI to your chart? So first of all, I'm going to remove this RSI. I have deleted it. If you come down here now, you just only see my chart without the RSI. So what you want to do now is click that F sign. There's an F sign above. Is that you click that F sign or tap your screen, because there are two ways. When you tap your screen, you will see indicator, object, settings, and all that. So you click indicator or tap that F sign above. Then you click main window. Then what you're looking for is relative strength index. That is the full meaning of RSI. You tap it. That is it there. You tap it. Now it comes with a default settings of period 14. Do not touch it. Apply to close. Leave it. Levels 30, 70. That was what you see we used in the analysis, and it worked perfectly for 6 times. Now the style. Most times style doesn't come in blue, because I think I have changed this style to blue. So most times it comes in whatever you see it, but I would prefer you change it to blue. Pixel means if you want, let me just leave it in 1 pixel first, then click done. As you can see, the RSI is perfectly on your screen. Now let's go back. Let's see what pixel means. So we want to tap the RSI. What I did was I tapped the F sign, tapped the F sign, I tapped relative strength index, I come down to style. Let me change the pixel to 3 and save. Now what does that mean? It makes the candlestick on the RSI more visible. Do you understand? It makes it more visible so that you can see what is happening. All right, guys, so that will be all for now. Simple ABC. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, guys.